हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो एंड टुडे अ वेरी स्पेशल वीडियो। बहुत स्पेशल कार है, बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी डिमांड आई थी। आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू वांटेड मी टू अनबॉक्स दिस इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, सो यू गाइस वांटेड टू सी इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल सो दैट यू कैन बाय इट ऑल्सो। वेरी नाइस सनी डे, वेरी डेज इन विंटर्स दे हिट डिफरेंट, सो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड टू डू इज कम अप टू द टेरेस एंड probably try to shoot a small outdoor video. Don't expect too many of these videos because obviously most of the time I'm working and the time I get to shoot my videos is midnight, so that I have to do under artificial lighting. By chance today was a weekend and nice and sunny day, so I came. Enough about that, let's just talk about this car. This is the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, and over here I've got a pair of blue and yellow ones. I told you I'll be showing you those also, so those are the old ones which I have. Beautiful casting, I love it. 795. Here you can see the Bugatti hologram, which means that this is an official licensed product. Here you see the name written, Vision GT, the barcode and all of it. You got the important detail that this is ages 14 plus collector's model, and this is a collector's model and not a toy. Very important information actually. Here we've got the Mini GT branding, which is the side which I usually prefer unboxing it from. Here we've got the Bugatti logo, so the Bugatti logo is still intact. We'll just quickly unbox it and I'll show it to you. So the unboxing experience is actually very premium. It's a beautiful model and a beautiful blister it comes in. Another thing which you need to note is that the blister, first you need to slide the car this side, then only because of the front aero bits and all of it, because of the front aero bits and all, the car is a little snug in the blister. So this is like the lineup right now. I just thought I'll probably show you the old ones first before I show you the new one. So this was the blue one, which was the first release, and this is a very iconic color for the Vision GT. So this had come, and I'll be honest, I was really excited for this because that time Mini GT was making cars which were not this futuristic. So yeah, I was like super excited, and then I loved it. I'll be honest with you, I loved the headlamps in this. We talk about the side profile. I'll talk about the side. You look at it from the side and you'll realize that, okay, wow, this was amazing. I mean, the carbon fiber detail in the wing, the French logo and all of it, that was just mind blowing at that point of time. Even if you look at the roof, the blue carbon in the roof, the engine details, even at the rear you had some insane exhaust details, and the tail lamp was also very well done. The wing was very well done. If I have to show you the wing, then the mirrors were very nice. Front was on another level altogether. So this was the blue one, and then more than in one video I have told you guys that this is one of my favorite color schemes, black and yellow. So this was the black and yellow one. Beautiful color scheme, really liked it. Black and yellow with the carbon finishing and all of it. So wherever there were the black bits, they had put some carbon in it, so the carbon looked really nice. And the fuel tank, all of it, I mean, I fell in love with this model. And so these are a little old. I think probably both of them are around 2 years old. So today recently Mini GT has launched a new one. This is the black color. One of the best things about this model has to be that tires are very nice, and the previous two had blue in the tires. So the blue one looked good with blue, and the yellow one looked a little weird. Silver one I could not get, so I cannot really comment on that. But in this, what they have done is that they have replaced that with grey, so it matches with the color scheme of the car, the theme of the car. It's a little more matching. Gloss black paint finish with carbon fiber kind of detailing. That is just amazing. Then we look here. You talk about the front details. Probably this is a good angle to look at it. I'm really sorry, the sun is really strong, so in case the camera is not taking focus, let me know. I'll try to take care in the future. But yeah, it's like I can't see anything on my screen. So yeah, this is the front look, and I think the headlamps are a little hidden. I mean, the detailing of the headlamps might not be so visible because the body of the car is casting a bit of a shadow in it, but the mirrors are very nice. They are like slightly rubberized and all. And over here you've got the fuel cap detailing. The roof has got beautiful carbon finish. Here you've got the Bugatti logo at the rear, and then you've got some great wheels, tire stickering, door handles. I mean, the details in this car, they are just unending. The engine detailing at the rear, I mean, oh my god, that classic Bugatti engine, just so well done. Even the wing, you look at the wing, proper carbon fiber. You cannot believe that this is a 64 scale model. The kind of detailing it is packed, and that also, it's not a Kaido house, it's not any premium lineup of Mini GT. It's standard Mini GT, so that's pretty good. Now I'll just quickly do this angle and I'll show you the rear. Now the rear is on another level altogether. French flag, Bugatti logo on the side, and then you've got the tail lamps, you've got the exhaust details. Very well done. Base मैंने आपको बाकी दोनों गाड़ियों का नहीं दिखाया था, इसका दिखा देता हूँ. This is what the base looks like. I cannot really keep it flat because of obviously you can damage the mirrors. But yeah, I mean it's a pretty plain base, not much to see there. So this is it guys, this is the Bugatti Vision GT in black, just pure black. Let me know what did you think about it, how did you find it, कैसी लगी आपको ये. एंड आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू शो यू माई प्रीवियस 2 ones. आपको ये कास्टिंग कैसी लगी? डू यू थिंक इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कास्टिंग्स आउट देयर? अभी आजकल मिनी जीटी ने जो नया लाइन लाया है, गोल्ड फिंगर वाला हो गया या फिर ये सब हो गया, आई थिंक दीज आर ग्रेट वैल्यू फॉर मनी मॉडल्स कंपेयर टू अदर ब्रांड्स जो ऑफर कर रहे हैं. एक्रिलिक बॉक्स डालने से कुछ नहीं होता है. ये आपकी कास्टिंग इतनी अच्छी है कि किसी भी पैकेजिंग में मिले, कास्टिंग की अपनी वैल्यू है, पैकेजिंग से कोई मतलब नहीं है. बाकी आप मुझे बताना आपको कैसे लगी, आपके पास पुराने वाले हैं कि नहीं, नई वाली आपने ली है कि नहीं, आपको बुगाटी पसंद है कि नहीं. एंड दीज आर लाइक रियली स्टर्डी बिकॉज दिस इज़ लाइक सुपर हैवी. अभी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड एक ब्लो कर रही है. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर इफ यू आर एबल टू हियर द विंड नॉइज इन द माइक और एनीथिंग, बट इफ़ देयर वाज एनी अदर मॉडल लाइक हॉट व्हील्स मेन लाइन, एक तो उनके प्लास्टिक के व्हील्स होते हैं और दूसरा उनका वो रहता है कि मतलब वेट थोड़ा कम होता है, तो दे जनरली रोल ऑफ. इसमें थैंकफुली दैट इज़ नॉट द केस. सो आई पर्सनली लव इट. लेट मी नो अबाउट योर थॉट्स. थैंक यू.